Okay, this is going to show you how to electroplate a penny with zinc. First things you'll need are a battery holder, 2 AAA batteries, a zinc piece, a clean penny, 2 wires, and a jar of vinegar. Okay, so to get the zinc plate, you need to get some sandpaper and file off a penny. The core of a penny is actually zinc, so that's where it comes from. The outer layer of this is actually just copper, so just file away the copper and you've got a zinc plate. This one's black because I've been using it, but normally when you sand it off it'll be silverish. Okay, so the first step is to put the batteries in the battery holder. You don't need to use the battery holder, I just bought one, so I'll just be using that. And then you connect your wires to the ends of the battery holder. And then you're ready for the next step. Okay, so the next step for the video is to make the electroplating solution. This is basically just vinegar mixed with salt, a shake of salt, a pinch of sugar, and you mix it together in this thing, and it's yellow because I've been using it. That's just the dissolved zinc. To make it, you need to connect a metal object to the negative terminal, making it a cathode. I just used nickel, and the zinc plate to the positive end, making it an anode. You just dunk them in the zinc solution for about 5 minutes, and it will dissolve the zinc into it. Okay, so once you've got your solution, there it is, you'll need to connect your penny, which should be cleaned with alcohol or vinegar and salt, to the cathode, making it negatively charged. You dunk it in, then you dunk in your anode or your zinc strip, and yeah, you should probably make sure that they're not touching, or who knows what will happen. It won't really plate. After a while you should see bubbles coming up. It's not doing it right now, probably because I have too much zinc in, but yeah, the bubbles forming should be hydrogen and oxygen, which together are flammable, so it shouldn't be too dangerous in this amount of solution because there's not that much water in it, but and the gases won't be able, they won't produce a lot of the gases. I believe it is hydrogen at the cathode, so at your penny, and oxygen at the anode, or your zinc strip. Yeah, and I'm just going to turn the video off, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so after you leave it in for about 20 minutes or to 25 minutes, it should look something like this. Don't know if you can see it. It's kind of dull right now, but you gotta polish it, so here's a polished one. I just used toothpaste and a toothbrush, and as you can see, that's quite shiny. The zinc has worn off on the back. The plating is very, very thin, but you can basically see that it's silver. The copper part is where it was connected to the wire, so it plated the wire instead of the penny there, but most of it's done. So yeah, there it is. How to zinc plate a penny.